Hi guys, today magkakabit tayo ng fake nails. Yan. At ang aking customer ay si pang personal use lang namin to guys. Yan. Pang laro-laro lang ni AJ. Naman ka-artihan niya. Customer, ano masasabi mo? What do you want? Ayan ang kanyang nails. And then see later what is the final look. Okay? Here's the final look ng baby girl. Yan. Look natural. Look pretty. OMG. Wow. Hindi ko pa masyado nalilinis pero so ganda-ganda na.